Welcome to Take Two Creations with Manoj and Chetna. Today we have a veteran actress whose known and recognized face has been appreciated for her skills as a fine actor on cinema, television, and theater. But there is a facet beyond her known self that she has been working on over past 30 years, exploring and self-experimenting with various techniques of holistic healing. She had succeeded in evolving simple teachings and principles to help people live life to the fullest. In every activity, her focus has been observing the human spirit and its workings. So, today, let's welcome Smita to our studio.
Thank you,
Namaskar,
sir.
Smita ji. Smita
Thank
Jayakar.
you.
Thank you for joining us today. Wonderful
Yeah,
to see you. So
thank you.
before we get started into your detailed career path and things, we want to know, and I'm sure audience would like to know, who's Smita Jayakar? Who define yourself and what is your passion and where you are in life today?
Uh, uh, Now, if you ask me this question from a spiritual angle, I'll say Smita Jayakar is just a soul amongst so many other souls.
Mhm.
Doing my soul's journey is what I am, and thankfully, because of my masters and because of my spiritual journey, my soul, the soul which is there residing inside me, knows my purpose of life, and I'm following my purpose of life. On the materialistic plane, if you ask me, then I am so many other things which you people have seen me as an actress, as a mother, ye, wo, white, wo, sara. जिसमें इतना interest नहीं है मुझे,
Mhm.
because everybody knows that part of me. But as a soul, no, not many people know me from my soul point of view, which
Hmm.
which is what I am.
Wonderful. So I think more, as you said, more people know you from your acting career and things, right? Uh, your the other side, the other facet of your life, which is spirituality and holistic healing and chakras and energies and all those kind of things, and we want to get into that. But I want to comment first on, and I want people to recognize yeah, for what you have done with your hair. You had full blown hair on your head, and you have done what?
Well, I had my hair was about 4 or 5 inches below my waist. It was like long hair.
Wow.
And luckily, I've got very thick hair also. So I wanted to donate my hair to the Cancer Society for the longest time. And
Wow.
somehow I was not mastering of courage. And every time I used to think of it, there's some project is to come. So that is to become an excuse. अच्छा ये हो जाएगा, तब मैं
Mm.
करूँगी, ये वो सारी चीजें थी. So it takes a lot of courage for a woman to go bald. It takes really a lot of courage. But I wanted to do it from the bottom of my heart for a very long time. I said, now, before I start dwindling, I said, that's it. I'm doing it now. So I just went and did it, and I donated it also. It's gone to the Cancer Society people also. It's gone.
Wonderful,
I
wonderful.
think you look
Kudos.
wonderful. Actually, you look
Yes.
amazing with that kind of hairstyle.
Maybe
Style
you'll.
statement. Style statement.
Yeah, it's a trendsetter.
So I have one question before I hand it over to Chetna about spirituality and the other facet. From acting point of view, is there any desire left to do something more? I know you have worked with almost every well-known person in the industry, TV, film, theater. What is your desire? Is there anything left for you to accomplish in acting?
If you ask an actor this question, he's never satisfied.
Hmm.
An actor is never satisfied with any amount of work that actor gets. He always feels
Okay.
he can do more. I can do more. I can do this one. I can do that one. But one has to understand and come to a realization that this is it. And there is always another generation which is growing up and coming forth,
Mhm.
You have done enough. You feel satisfied that God is great, that you've got so many. Like I have to say for myself that I'm really blessed that I got so many films which made me so famous and all that, which was never in my mind.
Hmm.
So I have to be thankful to the divine that I've got so much. Instead of constantly yearning for more and being frustrated, मुझे ये नहीं मिला, मुझे ये तारीफ नहीं मिली, मुझे वो award नहीं मिला. you are, you know, it pulls you down. Instead,
Mm.
be grateful and offer gratitude that you've got so much.
Right.
I feel very thankful because I don't have a godfather, I don't have anything. Things just fell in my place, and wherever I'm today, even at my age now that my career is ebbing, which I'm not ashamed to say that at all.
Mm.
The career is ebbing, so it's still people do. Still people are fond of me. They like me, and they still have whatever. For me, this is grace, you know. Otherwise, you just get you become a kind of a has been, and you are then wallowing in sorrow, and you know, वो दुखियारे बन जाते हो, and वो सब no, I
No,
do
I,
not appreciate that part
I
at
have
all.
never heard that side ever before. So
yeah.
whoever I had talked to, all the actors, they always say like, अच्छा अभी भी कुछ करना बाकी है, you know, like अभी भी वो passion बाकी है and मुझे और करना है. So
The
it
actor is
never
never
ends.
satisfied.
Yeah,
Actor is never satisfied.
right.
And then the
So true.
frustration comes in because after a certain time, you don't get any roles. Forget the role you desire and you want to and all that. You don't get any roles because obviously you got to stop somewhere.
Hmm.
Ah.
And there is where the frustration comes in, you know.
Yeah.
So
You're
you don't allow yourself to get so frustrated. It's fine. It's okay.
So when I was talking to you before this interview, you said like you also connect somehow acting to spirituality and
Yep.
spirituality to some other things like chakra awakenings and all. Let's talk about that.
So let me tell you, from the acting point of view, I feel I'm blessed to be an actress.
Mm.
Why? Because as an actor, I can go to temples because I'm a Hindu. I would anyway go to a temple, but I can go to a gurudwara. I have done roles like that. I've done Punjabi roles, I've done Muslim roles, but I've gone to dargahs and all that and prayed there. I've done Christian roles, but I've gone to churches. You know, otherwise, as a person, as a Hindu, born Hindu, if I want to go, I will go to a temple only and pray, right?
Hmm.
I, why should I go to a dargah or a church or a gurudwara to pray? वो तो होता नहीं है ना.
Mm.
Here you're praying to so many forms of divine,
Mm.
Ah,
you know? So that is
true.
one blessing, you know, to go there, because for me divinity is one,
Mm.
whichever form it is. But I would, I mean, I've gone there and I've done all those जो नमाज वमाज करते सब पूरी तरह से, पर अंदर से prayer जो मुझे आती है वही मैंने की. Divinity is one.
Interesting. Yeah.
Yeah,
Mm.
I don't know those prayers. I don't know
Right.
those sari prayers. But I got to be in that energy of so many divine forms, which I'm blessed for.
Mm.
Then I feel maybe, you know, like as an actor, you got to be very true to your feelings. Like somebody who plays your husband, your children, you actually got to feel the love. Otherwise, it looks fake.
Mm.
सो मेरे शायद ऐसा हो सकता है, ये मेरा मानना है कि मेरे शायद इतने लोगों के साथ वो रिलेशनशिप्स ऑल्टर करनी थी, टू रेक्टिफाई करनी थी, तो वो सारी मेरी फिल्म लाइन से सारी की सारी रिलेशंस रेक्टिफाई हो गई है इन लोगों के साथ. बिकॉज आई एक्चुअली फील दैट लव फॉर, एक्चुअली यू हैव टू फील द लव, सो इट गेट्स रेक्टिफाइड. मे बी मुझे कई जन्म लेने शायद पड़ते थे टू गेट, यू नो, ईच रोल getting all that rectification. That was done through films. And another thing also, because of the spiritual angle, actors are very insecure. The most insecure community you'll ever find is the actors.
Really?
And
That's surprising.
Yeah. Why is that?
Oh no, because if their films don't do well, if some other hero or heroine does better, बहुत ज़्यादा insecurity होती है, बाप रे बाप, भयंकर insecurity होती है, which I never felt because of the spiritual angle. I never ever felt this kind of a thing that, you know, you're insecure. Yeah. Another thing what I would like to say is all of us, everyone wears masks.
Mm-hmm.
We all are putting masks and moving around. The true
Yes.
self,
Agreed.
you never portray your true self. Now, actors put in more masks because we are playing different roles. So, हर role का एक mask होता है.
Right.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Right? Then you have formed your own image. Oh my God, how can Smita Jayakar be caught having a drink in her hand and partying and going all mad? So वो लोग क्या बोलेंगे? तो ये मैंने अपने ऊपर mask लगाया. Right? So इतने सारे masks, इतने roles हम करते हैं, इतने masks आप पहनते हैं. Yeah. तो आप अपने आप से कहाँ मिलते हो और कब मिलते हो?
Hmm.
Yes,
Very well said.
I agree.
Very well
I
said.
agree.
Very well said.
Right? So you meet yourself when your career is ebbing, when nobody seems to recognize you or give you that kind of importance जो होनी चाहिए, जो थी किसी जमाने में आपने enjoy की थी,
Hmm.
वो अब नहीं हो रहा है.
Hmm.
So those marks one by one are dropping off.
Right.
And then to face yourself is the most difficult thing. For an actor, if he's not recognized by people when he's out on the road, he's gone.
Hmm.
It shatters him
Ah.
from inside.
Yes.
Right.
So you have to come to terms with this, that this is going to happen.